It's for antelope sitting under the tree. B is for bear chasing after bee. K is for cat sitting on a wall. D is for dog playing with a ball. E is an eagle showing up high up the town. F is for ferret bouncing up and down. G is for giraffe in a zoe place. H is a horse. Can you hear neigh? E is for iguana bird changing colors up and there. J is for jaguar making a loud noise. K is for kangaroo chasing bouncing up and down. L is for lion roaring in the sun. It's for mouse. We loves a piece of cheese. It's for nectarian possum living at innes. O is for octopus in a deep blue sea. P is for penguin as happy as could be. K is for quacking duck walking at the sea. R is for rabbit jumping up and down. S is for sheep bowing on the ground. T is a tiger making a loud roaring sound. R is for unicorn galloping on the danger feet. V is for vixen searching for a treat. W is for whale in the deep blue sea. X is for fox chasing a chicken.
So let's skip straight to Y and Z.
Y is for yak sleeping in the dark. Z is for Zany zebra zipping in a park.